Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about an amazing natural remedy for managing blood sugar levels, and that's neem leaves. We'll cover the benefits, how to use them, and important precautions to keep in mind. Now, neem leaves have been used traditionally in Ayurvedic medicine for their numerous health benefits. They're known to help manage blood sugar levels, not just for diabetes, but also for those wanting to avoid diabetes or pre-diabetic. Now, studies suggest that neem leaves can help reduce sugar spikes and regulate insulin sensitivity. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that neem leaves can lower blood glucose levels in diabetic patients. Another study indicated that neem extract can provide insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for overall blood sugar management. So how do you use neem leaves? One simple method is making neem tea, and here's how. Take a handful of neem leaves, boil the leaves in 2 cups of water for about 5 to 7 minutes. Strain the tea and let it cool slightly before drinking. Now, it's recommended to drink neem tea once a day, and consistency is key. So try to make it a part of your daily routine. 1 cup a day is all you'll need, and try to take it at the same time each day. Now, you might start seeing results in your blood sugar levels within a few weeks. However, individual results can vary, and it's important to monitor your blood sugar regularly and consult with your healthcare practitioner. Now, a few important cautions. Neem can interact with medications, so if you're on any medication, especially for diabetes, consult your doctor before using neem. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid neem because it can cause complications, and additionally, long-term use of neem should be monitored by a herbalist or healthcare professional. Now, if you'd like to try them, you can get high quality neem leaves by clicking the link in the description below and get 50% off. So that's it, folks. Thank you for watching. And if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more health tips and information, and share your comments below. I'd love to hear from you, and I'd like to know about your experience having used this herb. So see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.